Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to download or update a game on Steam and suddenly saw that annoying disk write error pop up, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and effective ways to fix it so you can get back to gaming in no time. Let's get started. First, completely close Steam. Make sure it's not running in the background. You can double check in your task manager to close any Steam related processes. This step is important because open background tasks can sometimes interfere with troubleshooting. Next, locate your Steam application. You can easily find it by searching Steam in your Start menu. Now, right-click the Steam icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to modify or repair files. Believe it or not, this simple action alone fixes the disk write error for a lot of people. If the problem still sticks around, here's what to do next. Head over to your Steam library, right-click the game that's causing the issue and choose Properties. Then, go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game files, identify anything corrupted or missing, and automatically re-download what's needed. This process can take a few minutes, but it's one of the most reliable fixes. Still seeing the error? No problem. We've got another trick. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and then click Clear Download Cache. This refreshes Steam's temporary files, clearing out any damaged cache data that could be causing download or update failures. Once done, restart Steam and try again. Now, if none of these steps work and the error keeps coming back, it might be time for a clean reinstall of Steam. Uninstall Steam from your computer, reinstall it from the official website, and remember to back up your game data before doing so. This step wipes out any deep-rooted issues that can't be fixed otherwise. And that's it. By following these methods, running Steam as admin, verifying your game files, clearing the download cache, or reinstalling Steam, you should be able to fix the disk write error once and for all. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have any other Steam issues you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.